In this video, we'll do a quick explanation of how to use a calculator to evaluate inverse trig functions. So this first one, we are doing, in these examples, we will be using radians, so make sure your calculator is in that right mode. They have buttons for these, so the inverse sine, notice that it is right there by sine, but it's right above in green. Most of the time it's a second button, so if you're using a TI 36X Pro, that's the one I recommend all the time, you had to push it twice, you don't do a second. So I push it there, and all I got to do is actually just plug the numbers in, and it spits out the right answer here. I'm only going to do 3 digits. This is in radians, right? I put in a ratio. Let's write this in ratio, because I really want you guys to get that, and then this is an angle, right? A normal trig function, I plug in an angle and get a ratio, but an inverse, I plug in a ratio and get an angle. It's backwards. All right, now let's do inverse cosine. All right, so I do second cosine. Oh, let's get off that line. Second cosine, so inverse cosine of negative 0.4. And I get 1.9. I guess we should be using approximations here. 1.982 is the round there. And again, this would be radians if we want to put rad there. Again, I want to emphasize that we're plugging in ratios and getting angles. We're just going backwards.